Have you ever encountered difficulties to see information about your job application, especially salary, location, position offered? How do you guys use the JobStreet website? How do you guys check the details, comparing individuals and browsing the information? Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Kun Sayang Dini binti Wirakainai. I'm here to help you to solve the problem. So, my project topic is jobs visualization and salary prediction using linear regression based on JobStreet Malaysia. So, my lecturer name is Dr. Nur Hashimah binti Ibrahim Teo, and my supervisor name is Technologist Dr. Karina Arin Faiza binti Haji Abu Sama, and my examiner is Puan Nur Fadila binti Taha. The introduction for this project is using the internet to search for a job to resume as an employer to or worker is called internet job searching. Nowadays, the internet search for their desired job, especially teenagers. Hence, this system allows graduate students to analyze the job from JobStreet website in an easier way. The background of study for this project. Firstly, one of the most notorious employment websites that have been considered by many is JobStreet, and it was founded in Malaysia in 1997. Second, according to Heaven 1995, nowadays the internet is used to search for their desired job, especially teenagers. The third one, job seekers feel easier than traditional search jobs in newspaper, flyers, and advertisement. Therefore, searching for a job on the internet is faster and more option. There are three problem statements in this project. So the first problem statement is they do not know the information on the salary offered according to the position, the description of job scope, and the requirements needed to apply the job. The second one is the job seekers may face difficulties in comparing and visualizing the demand for the offered job in JobStreet website. The third problem statement is job seekers may face difficulties in visualizing the trend of offered jobs in JobStreet. The objectives for this project is to design a web application system that can visualize and predict all jobs from the JobStreet website for graduate students. Secondly, to develop a web application system that can visualize and predict all jobs from the JobStreet website for graduate students by using visualization technique and linear regression technique. The last one is to test the functionality and usability of the system. The scope for these projects are for all graduate students in Malaysia. Next, the scopes cover all 13 jobs in JobStreet Malaysia. Lastly, the data that's scraped from JobStreet websites will be extracted for 6 months only from November 2020 to May 2021 in English language. This is because there are some reasons why I can extract for 6 months only, because one of the reason is because JobStreet only allow the company to advertise the jobs within 6 months only. Now, let's move to the next slide. There are few techniques to complete this system. The first one is visualization. Users of visualization in different application disciplines lack of common conceptual framework to describe and share techniques. It makes it easier to identify trends, patterns, and outliers within large data sets. This project will turn all the data into a better visualization technique to better understand the job seekers and read the data. The second technique for this project is linear regressions. The most fundamental and widely used predictive analysis is linear regression. Regression estimates describe data and illustrate the relationship between the dependent variable and one or more independent variable. These techniques are used to predict the salary for each job. The formula that I have stated in the slide is to know the quality of the predictions. System flowchart. This is the flowchart for the system. As you can see, it started for the user to have an account until they can log out. As the user can view homepage, visualization for each job page, map visualization page, view tables page. They can redirect directly to the JobStreet website, prediction salary page, to view profile page, and lastly, they can log out from the application. Use case diagram. As we can see, the first one is login. The user must include username and password to log in the application. Next, visualization for each job page. The user can view visualization for each job. And then view table page, which the user can download job file in CSV file format. So firstly, as we can see that this is the login page for the user. The user can choose to log in it as an admin or as a guest. To create an account, okay, the user must click on the create account button, and then the user must enter the username, the email, and then the password. After that, the user must enter the register account and register button. After that, the user has successfully registered the account. So now the user must click on the login button to log in the application. I will log in it as an admin. So this is the home page for the user, which after the admin user has logged in the account. So as you can see, this is the visualization for each job page. Firstly, the user must click on the drop-down list to choose a job that they want to visualize it. Okay, as you can see, this is the visualization page for education and training job. So firstly, the user must select the type of visualization that they want to visualize. So firstly, I will show you the top 5 locations that have the highest number of jobs in job street. Okay. So this is the bar chart for top 5 locations that have the highest number of education jobs. Now I will show you the interactive button for the user to view the chart. Okay, as you can see, there are many interactive buttons for the user to use. So there are zoom buttons, the user can zoom it. There are pen button, there are laser and box select button, and next they have zoom in and zoom out button also. As you can see, this is the line chart visualization. So there are for the x-axis is title of jobs and y-axis is salary of people. They want to see the highest one, that we can see that the line chart. So to zoom it, the user can just zoom it by like this. Okay, if the user want to view more, then the user can do tree map visualization. As we can see, there are many data in this tree map visualization. Okay, next, so this is the workload for job title and qualification. Okay, so this is the map visualization page. Okay, firstly, the user must choose one of the job to visualize it. So I will choose one of the job. Okay, so as you can see there, this is the map for this job, and yep, tada! So this is the salary prediction page. So firstly, when the user can predict the salary based on the years of experience. Graph, and then the chart on the bottom is explained that it is the scatter plot, shows that the predicted value has a positive correlation against the actual value. So example, the user want to enter two year of experience. So the user must click on the predict salary, and the output will show salary should be 4,002.75 cents. So this is the tables page interface. So as you can see, there are 13 number of jobs that have listed in the table, and the user can choose the user can click on the download button to download the jobs file in CSV file format. So if the user want to go to the JobStreet website to view the JobStreet website, the user can just click on this button, JobStreet website button. Okay, for the last page is profile page. For the profile page, the user can only view the profile page. User can log out from this application with the logout button. So the user must click on logout button to log out log out from the application. So when I click on the logout button, so it will redirect me back to the login page. In conclusion, this system is very useful as it brings advantage toward graduate students for better understanding to find a job, as they can compare the data for each job in JobStreet. And lastly, the future work for this system is it can visualize the real-time data from the JobStreet website for a greater experience for the job seeker. It is also recommended to purchase JobStreet Premium's APIs, as it provides the luxury of more data to be extracted. It is also highly suggested to add other jobs websites such as Monster, LinkedIn, Hiredly. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.